Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I'll be preparing a Indo-Chinese item, street style Manchurian fried rice, which has got very authentic and mixed flavors of Manchurian and fried rice combined in one. Let's check the process. First we'll prepare Manchuria. So for the ingredients required are finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped French beans, finely chopped carrot, corn flour half cup, maida half cup, green chili paste, you can use even chopped green chilies, salt to taste, chili powder. Let's start mixing it. I've taken cabbage. The quantity depends on how much you want to prepare and how many Manchurian balls you want to prepare. But this is my method of doing it. So I'm taking carrot. These have to be very finely chopped. Then only it tastes good. Then French beans. This also very finely chopped. Now we'll add green chili paste. You can add even chopped green chilies. Salt to taste. Chili powder. Now let's start mixing it properly. Now let's add maida. After we add, in case after mixing, if you feel that the batter is very loose and you're not able to make balls out of it, you can add a little bit of corn flour or maida on top of it again. We need not add water for this because the veggies have a lot of water in them, so that will be enough to make the batter for this. So now this is done. See, we are able to hold the shape, so this is enough. So we need to make small size balls and fry them. So now we'll prepare all like this, small size ones. We should not prepare bigger ones because we are going to make rice, Manchurian rice, so they have to be small so that it will be easy for us to have a bite of it. Fry till they are golden brown and crispy. So now these are done. We'll remove them into a dish. Now the ingredients required for making fried rice are spring onion, green peas, carrot finely chopped, French beans finely chopped, pepper powder, salt to taste, garlic finely chopped, soya sauce, red chili sauce, white rice, and the Manchurian balls. Let's heat the pan and then add oil. Now this process has to be done in high flame. Usually Chinese items will be done on a high flame. So let's add garlic. We have to saute this a little bit. Now we'll add carrot, French beans, mix them properly, green peas. We'll add few spring onions now and few in the last. Mix them and saute them for a little while till the veggies get cooked a little bit. Now let's add the other ingredients. We'll add salt. You need to check for the salt and add because all the sauces also have got salt in it. Pepper powder, chili sauce, soya sauce. Mix it well. Now we'll add Manchurian balls. Mix them properly. Now finally we'll add rice. Mix it properly. Now finally we'll add little spring onion and mix it well and dish it out. So our delicious Indo-Chinese Manchurian fried rice is ready. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.